Did you know a single line of text turned a free email service into a $400 million acquisition? Here's how it happened. In 1996, a startup called Hotmail launched with almost no advertising budget. Their investor, Tim Draper, had one idea: attach a short message to the bottom of every email sent through the platform. P.S. I love you. Get your free email at Hotmail. The founders hated it. They thought it was embarrassing and nearly refused. They added it anyway. Every time someone sent an email, that message traveled with it. The recipient saw it, signed up, and then their emails carried the same line. One user became 10. 10 became 1,000. Within 18 months, Hotmail had 12 million users. Microsoft bought it for roughly $400 million. No billboards, no television ads, no sales team, just a product that recruited its next customer with every single use. That is the most powerful growth engine ever built, not a marketing campaign, a mechanism baked directly into the product itself. The best businesses don't just sell, they spread.